And now let's see what's inside this. As you all can see, it looks like ice. So wow guys, now I have opened this. And does it look good? It's from Fast Track. So yeah, let's see what inside. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is also very special because in today's video I'm going to be unboxing all of my birthday gifts. And it's not a normal unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing 14 gifts for my 14th birthday. So yeah guys, as it was my 14th birthday, so I got 14 gifts and I'm going to unbox all of them. So my last video was my birthday vlog, and in that I also had a birthday party. And I told that the video will be continued and I'll make a birthday gifts unboxing also. And have you watched my birthday vlog yet? If you haven't watched it, then I'll give the link in the description and also in the I button above. So you can check it out after this video. So yeah, I'm really excited and I hope you are also. So make sure to give this video a like and then I would open all of my gifts. So yeah, now let's get started. So first I'm going to be opening this gift. And the packing is also so beautiful. There's a ribbon over here and it's a unique kind of packing. I have never seen this before. So yeah, I like the packing very much. So now let's open the gift. So yeah, I took out the ribbon and now let's open the gift. So now I opened it and now I have opened it from down, so I don't need to open it from up, and I'm not going to spoil this. I don't want to tear it. So I'm going to take out the gift from here. So wow guys, this is a sweater. I think it's a sweatshirt or something, and there's Minnie Mouse on this. So now I'm going to open this and show it to you also. And this is really so cute, and now let's open it. It already looks so beautiful from outside. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the print and it's so cute, like really. Wow, so it looks like this, and this is really so beautiful and cute. And this will keep me out from the cold also because this is really warm, I think so. So yeah, I like this gift so much. So thank you. Now let's move on to the next gift. This is the second gift. And now let's see what's inside this. It's kind of a bottle. So yeah, let's see how it looks. And there's also a straw outside. So first let's see what's inside. Wow guys, so this looks like a can and it's actually a bottle. And it's not a simple bottle. There's something special about this. So yeah, as you can see the top, it looks like a can. And when you open this, it's a bottle. But the design, it looks like it's ice. It looks like the bottle is filled with ice, but actually there's no ice inside. So yeah, this design is really unique and I loved how the concept is. And it's written Hello Summer, and yeah, it's yellow in color, so it gives summer vibes. And this looks so cute and beautiful. As you all can see, it looks like ice. And I really love this gift, and there's also a straw with this over here. So yeah, this gift is also so nice and it's really cute. So thank you. This was our second gift. Now let's see the third gift. This is the third gift and let's see what's inside. Wow, so there are again so many gifts inside one box. So now let's see what's there one by one. So first there's a chocolate. And then next, these are some facial tissues from Miniso. So yeah, these are also so cute, as you can see. And it's like a small set, so it's so compact and I can carry it anywhere. So yeah, this is really so cute. And next comes the last gift, which is inside this. And it is this really cute purse. So yeah, as you can see, it's really cute and the color is also so cute. So it's like this. There's some pockets over here, and yeah, this is how it looks. It also has this zip over here. That's what I like about it. And it's really so cute, as you all can see. So this was my third gift, and now let's see the fourth gift. So my fourth gift is also so cute and beautiful, and I love it so much. And this is also a sweatshirt, and its color is really beautiful actually. It's like a cream color. So yeah, that's what I like about it. And this is also so beautiful. Now it's time for my fifth gift. So this is my fifth gift. There are two shirts inside this. And then there's a really cute bottle with this cover. It has this kind of a cover also, and yeah, it looks really nice. And then I have these really small cute rubber bands. There are so many designs in it, and these look so beautiful. As you all can see, there are these colors also. And I really love this gift also. Now let's move on to the sixth gift. The next gift is this, and this is also really big. So let's see what's inside. Now I'm going to unbox this. Now I have opened this, and there's this really cute and soft neck pillow. And yeah, the color is also my favorite color, which is pink in color. And here it's written Sweet Dream. So yeah, this is so soft, and I can actually feel it. This is really cute. And yeah, now let's open this, the cover also. So this is how it looks, and it's actually really soft. And now let's try it on also. And there's this lock also over here, and that's what I like about it, so that it does not come out. And yeah, this is how it looks, and this is really so soft actually, and I love this gift. So yeah, this was our sixth gift. Now let's see the seventh gift. This is my seventh gift. And yeah guys, I can feel it, and it's really hard, as you all can hear this. So yeah, let's see what's inside, and I'm really curious to know what's inside. So wow guys, this is a light, and it's not a normal light. It's a light in the shape of B, and as my name is Bani and the first letter is B, of course. So this is perfect for me, and I really love this. It has really small bulbs, as you can see here. And yeah, this is really so cute again, and it's a really nice gift. There's a switch over here, and we have to insert batteries, I think. So yeah, and then it would work. So yeah, I'll show you this in some other video when I switch it on. So this looks really cute, and this was my seventh gift, and I love it. Now let's see the eighth gift. So this is the eighth gift, and this is a box. So it doesn't have any packing, but it's a box. And this is what is written. It's from Fast Track. So yeah, let's see what inside. So there's a really cute ribbon here. Now let's open this. And I love the box actually. It's just so cute. It has white polka dots, and it's like light pink. And yup, that's really cute. So now let's open this, and I'm really excited. So yeah, let's see. Wow, I think this is a bag, I think. So yeah, it's a handbag. So yeah guys, this is how it looks. It's from Fast Track. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Okay, so this thing is inside, so you have to attach it over here. And it's a handbag. This is really cute, and the shine over here, that's really nice. And it's not that big and not that small. It's the perfect size, and I love this handbag. So in the box along with this, there's a card also from Fast Track. And yeah, there's one more card. So yeah, and one more thing is there. So what is this? Okay, these are magnets. So there are two magnets over here. So this is one, and this is the other one. These are so cute. So in this box, I got a card, I got a really cute handbag, and I got two magnets. This gift was really cute. Now let's move on to the next gift. So now we have opened many big gifts, and now let's open a small gift. This is the ninth gift. and it's in shape like a candy. So yeah, now let's see what's inside. So this is like a cover, I think. And yeah. Oh, so this is like a cover and it can store many things. So we can keep earphones and keys, I think. So yeah, it's like a cover and this is pretty hard. So this will protect whatever is inside. So I really like this also. This is really small and compact, and this also we can carry anywhere. We can keep our earphones or keys or anything like that which is small. So this also I liked very much. And this is really small and cute. So yeah, this was our 9th gift. Now let's see the 10th gift. And yeah guys, we are already done with 9 gifts and now we have only a few left. So let's see them all. And yeah, now we are going to see the 10th gift. This is the next gift and this is also in a shape like a candy. So now let's see this. So wow guys, there are 2 hairbands in this. And this hairband is which I wore yesterday. That means on my birthday. My birthday was yesterday. And you must have seen in my birthday vlog also. I wore this hairband. So yeah. And this hairband also I got. So these 2 are my gifts. And this was also actually one gift. But I liked it, so I wore it on my birthday, as it was matching with my dress. So I got this black one and this hairband which has these white lines. And both of them have these knot over here. So these 2 hairbands are also really cute and I like them. Now let's move on to the 11th gift. So this is the 11th gift and it's in an envelope. So let's see what's inside. So there's an eye mask inside this and it has like 2 eyes which are closed. So yeah, this is also really cute. Let's try it on also. And it's pink in color, which is my favorite color. So yeah, this is really soft actually. And now let's put it on. So it's something like this. And does it look good? I liked it very much and it's really cute. So this is the 11th gift. It's an eye mask and it's really so soft. And now let's move on to the 12th gift. And there are only 3 gifts remaining now. So yeah, let's see the 12th gift. This is the next gift. And it's a hair straightener, as you can already see from here. So let's open this and see how the hair straightener looks. And yeah guys, I don't know how to use a hair straightener because I have never ever had a hair straightener till now. So yeah, I'll learn how to use it. But yeah, this is the hair straightener. And yeah guys, this is also pink in color, which is my favorite color of course. So I have so many pink color gifts now. And this is the straightener and how does it open? So it opens from here and yeah, this is the straightener. So yeah, now I have to learn how to use this and then I would use it. And this gift is really so nice because I have never had any hair straightener. So yeah, now I have one. This was our 12th gift. Now let's move on to the 13th gift. This is the 13th gift and let's see what's inside. So guys, there's a pant and shirt inside and these both are from Puma. So there's this white color shirt and yeah guys, the pant and shirt are actually matching. So the shirt has this kind of a print and the pant also has same kind of the print. So yeah, it's kind of matching. So this is how it looks. It's a white shirt with this colorful print over here. So this looks really so cute and it's really light. So yeah, this is really good for summers and I like this a lot. And the pant also has the same kind of print. It's black in color and it has this print over here. So both of these are so cute and they match. First of all, they are matching and they would look really cute together. So yeah, now that was my 13th gift and finally the last gift, which is my 14th gift. So now let's see my 14th gift. So this is my 14th gift and it's my favorite chocolate and it's the Amul's dark chocolate and I love this chocolate very much. And how many of you like chocolates? If you like chocolates, then give this video a like and also tell me in the comments if you like chocolates and which kind of chocolate you like, white chocolate, milk chocolate or dark chocolate. Do tell me that also. So those were all the 14 gifts. I unboxed each and every gift, all the 14 gifts. And I hope you enjoyed this video and liked all the gifts also. And if you really did so, then don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel because I keep bringing new videos for all of you. So my 14th birthday is also over and it's also the end of this year. So first of all, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you because both of that is really near. So yeah, that's why I wanted to wish you all. Now I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.